Hi, I'm Will. This is a lamp, and you're watching Some Disassembly Required. This lamp has a broken three-way switch, and we're going to repair it today. So in order to fix this three-way switch, we need a replacement socket, a wire cutters, a wire strippers, and a screwdriver. I will add a link to a starter electrical kit downstairs for your home DIY electrical gremlins, let's say. And yeah, I hope you find this video to be quite illuminating. So first I'm going to take this sticker off, and let's see if we can split this right here. Oh, there we go. Apparently it just twists off. Sweet. Okay, so we twist this. Great, cool. And then we'll take this out. Alright, so this is our culprit right here. So I'm going to cut these in order to get this off of here, but first I'm going to make a mark to notice which one is the positive and the negative polarity. So I can see here that there's a little negative sign there, a little positive sign here. So I'm going to make this black. Alright, now we need to get some wire cutters. So cut out the old one. Snip. Snap. And we're going to put in the new one. And we're going to look for the negative polarity on this one. Okay, so the instructions tell us that this is the hot wire. And then so I'm going to assume that the black is the neutral wire and then the non-black is the hot wire. We can always adjust this if it's not right when we're done. So to use these, you just stick the cord through the holes in the bottom here, and they will cut through the that outer casing around the wire, exposing the metal. So I'm just going to start with the 10 because, I don't know, if you don't know what size or what gauge your wire is, just start with the biggest hole and work your way down. So I'm just going to wrap the wire around it. You want to make sure that you're wrapping the wire to the right, because you are going to screw it in, right? You're going to screw the screw in clockwise. And so you want to make sure you're wrapping the wire clockwise, so then as you're tightening in the screw, it's making the wire tighter, right? Because that's your goal. You want to keep it in there nice and secure, and if it's getting backed out when you're screwing the screw in, you're not really helping yourself out very much. Okay. And then we'll try this. I just reversed this. Whoops. Well, we're going to find out if this works. I flipped my wires around. Got my wires crossed. Anyway, so I'll clean that up in a minute. But first, let's plug this in and see what happens. This way you can get a good angle of me if I electrocute myself. Hey, it works. Cool. So let's make sure that it clicks 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Sweet. So now I'm just going to clean this up, put it back together, and plug it back in upstairs. Thanks for watching.